Just a small update here at the end of the day. It's absolutely gorgeous and pretty dang quiet. Yeah, I can hear some people. That's kind of how it is now in Central Oregon. So, here, I decided to move my table to this side. Kind of makes more sense going with the kitchen over here. So that's the stove set up and functioning. Just making myself some hot cocoa for bedtime. So the fridge is right here. Super easy to get to. If we pull the drawers out further, then we can get to the food, dry foods, and cooking supplies under that. So this all slides out further if you need to. So yeah, I'm liking how this is working so far. Really pleased.